Worried about dry and frizzy hair? Or dreaming about smooth and silky hair? Oh, I don't have it. I really need to fix this up. These are so dry and frizzy. Oh, look at my split ends. Uh-huh. Do I have a solution? Yeah. Let's just watch it. Hey guys, I'm back again. And this time I don't have a skincare video, I have a hair care video. So I'm gonna show you how to get silky, smooth and shiny hair at home. So for this, you're gonna need curd and hibiscus powder. You can find it in any medical store. I have given the link in the description box. Just do not forget to check it. And you're gonna mix this pack very well. No lump should be there. Just mix it really very well.
So now I have the pack with me. The consistency should be like this. I have used hibiscus powder inside this pack. If you do not have hibiscus powder, you can just get the flowers. You just have to dry them and powder it in the grinder or mixer, or else you can buy that online. I will put the link in the description box, so do not forget to check it if you don't find it in any medical store. I have taken yogurt. Everyone knows yogurt is a very good moisturizer for your hair. It treats your dry hair, and even the hibiscus has antibacterial properties, so they treat your hair, like it removes the dryness from your hair, and it works for roughness, and it treats the split ends and everything. So what I have done, the very first thing is I have changed my top because I really did not want it to spoil it. You never know if the stain won't go off your clothes, then you can't use that cloth outside. So I have worn my t-shirt which I wear at night or at home, so I really don't care if this gets spoiled, but still I'm gonna cover myself up with a towel. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna randomly put this pack, like I'm gonna apply it directly onto my scalp. I feel so cold. This corridor is cold. As I told you, hibiscus has antibacterial properties, so if your hair are rough, like my hair are chemically treated, so I do have roughness, so I keep on doing different remedies, and I try them first and then I tell you all. I've tried it and really it works, and I'll show you how it works. So you just need to apply this in your scalp first, and trust me, try this out and you will literally love me. If you did not know about this pack, let me know in the comment box if you tried and how it turns out for you. I am pretty much sure that you will love it. If you have a hair fall issue, dry scalp, itchiness, if you are getting itchiness in your scalp, then it will remove everything. It will solve all your problems. Then I tie my hair up and put an elastic to cover the hair, like secure the hair. I'm gonna apply whatever the leftover pack in the ball. I'm just gonna apply it on my hair because I don't want to waste them. Now you're gonna leave this pack around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Let that curd and hibiscus powder treat your hair nicely, and I am damn sure you're gonna be surprised after seeing the results. So I'll just come back after washing my hair. Now I'm totally fresh and I've taken a good shower, so I'm just gonna feel so fresh. So I'm gonna just soak up the excess water like this. I'm not gonna rub my towel onto my hair. Use this kind of textured towel, a microfiber one, so it soaks the towel, like, you know, water sooner than compared to the other towels. And gently do this, and I'm gonna dry my hair very quickly with a hair dryer. I don't like using hair dryer much, but if I wash my hair at night, I really dry them with a hair dryer. I keep the setting on cold. I don't take the hot setting. So just the cold air, and I just dry my hair because I don't want to get cold if I sleep with my damp hair. I don't want to get ill, and even I don't want to spoil the texture and, you know, style of my hair. If you sleep with your wet hair, they become messy when you wake up in the morning. So I'll just dry my hair and then I'll get back to you. I am done drying my hair. I did not dry them completely. I kept them a little damp because I'm gonna apply a serum. I'm using Streaks hair serum. It is vitalized with walnut oil. You can use whatever serum you like. It's also nice. The fragrance of this serum is really nice. I apply serum onto my lower head first, and then I just do this. This is not greasy at all. Now you can see, even if my hair are a little damp, there are no knots. Usually if you just put fingers or comb on your damp hair, you get knots. So I really love it. I love the fragrance. I feel so fresh. So as I told you, curd and hibiscus has antibacterial, and it really treats your dandruff, your dry hair, your split ends, your itchy scalp and your dry scalp. So do this once a week, and within a month you will see the difference and you will really love it. Nowadays everyone style their hair with heat like, you know, equipments like a straightener, tong, hair dryer. So we have to take care of our hair like that. So do try this hair mask or hair pack, whatever you want to call it, and let me know in the comment box what do you feel about this, and tell me what do you feel about this video as well. So that's it for this video, and I hope you must have liked it, and if you have, then please give me a big fat thumbs up to this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. I'll see you next time in my next video. Love you all.